Okay, so you're looking into buying a new home. Do you know the 4 things to look at when you're touring homes? Okay, the first thing that you look at, especially the way everything's going with insurance companies right now, is the roof line. Best practice is to park across the street so you can look at the roof line. We fully understand that you're not an expert as far as getting on top of the roof and see if it's in good condition, but once you submit an offer, just make it one of the focal points that you focus on, or ask the inspector to focus on that, either through drone shots or the inspector getting on top of the roof, and to be absolutely sure it's a good working order or in good condition and it's insurable. Check with your insurance company to be absolutely sure there's no hiccups or no surprises along the way. The second thing that you look at is when you're touring homes, we know you're not an engineer. We fully understand that. But if you see or you feel anything with the foundation, that might be a red flag. So walk, but pay attention as you step to see if there's anything that's happening with the roof, or there's anything inclined, so or anything, any or movement with the foundation. Best practice, once again, is when you have an inspector, for them to check the foundation, or to be absolutely sure there's not any concerns on there. There's certain percentages, 1-2 inches, that's within tolerance, but anything maybe greater than 3 or 4 inches, it might be something that could cause concerns. And keep in mind, focus on that. And ask, if you decide to make an offer on a home, ask for either a foundation company or an engineer to give their opinion on any movement that's happening there. Third thing that you focus on is the AC or the HVAC, to be absolutely sure it's in good working order. You don't want to be living in the home and it breaks down on you on a Friday night and it's scorching hot outside, 100-degree weather. So clean and service for the AC would be best practice, and fix any concerns that they have. Last but not least is the water heater. The water heater is going to be very important to be absolutely sure there's a pressure valve on there, so there's not going to be any concerns, and it's within code. One of the things that I mean is that there's going to be a pressure valve on top. It looks like a little globe. And the second thing is to be absolutely sure it has the pan on there. Heaven forbid there's any spillage. Oh, and then one of the things is that what if with the water heater is up in the attic? Oh my God, that could be a nightmare if it overflows. So those are the 4 things that you look at when you're touring a home. And if you submit an offer, make those your focal point. Once again, it's going to be foundation, roof, water heater, and HVAC. Let us know if you have any questions. And as always, doesn't it seem like the algorithm is following you? That's not the case. When something's important to you, like touring homes or San Antonio real estate, you become hyper aware of all things real estate, similar to when you purchased a car. Didn't you notice that everyone was driving your same car? The same thing happens to real estate. So you're going to be hearing or seeing for sale signs, open home signs, this real estate video right over here, or you're also going to hear real estate conversations such as checking out from the grocery store. So if you found this video informative and one of these 2 questions come up, I've always wondered what my home is worth, and I've always wanted to purchase a home, but I don't know where to start. Give them my name. Throw my name into the cowboy hat so I can give them the same informational service that I provided you. Deal? And as always, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Are you ready to make a move? Send us a DM. Thank you. Bye.